Tablecloth corners too long? Problem solved! A smart way to close a window safely. This hack will come in very handy when you spend time outdoors. Handy! To keep your jars neatly, a rotating tray is what you need. Perfect for spice jars. Don't know how to clean your laptop? Remove the dust stuck in the keyboard by doing this. Easy. For extra freshness, add the fabric softener when the wash is almost finished. Then, restart the washing machine. If you don't have a sticky roller, you can also effectively remove hair and lint from clothes with duct tape. Give it a try. This is the correct way to reseal a packet of batteries. The vase is too big. Place the flowers in an empty potato chip tube. Much better. Here's how to dry orange slices at home. After dabbing them with absorbent paper towels, place them on a radiator on top of a layer of parchment paper. All done. Do you want to wear shoes without socks? Do this. Can't fill your tacos easily? Try securing them upright with a fork.